Hi, this is Ishan from Seattle, Washington. I'm currently working as a product manager for Amazon Prime. Now, why I'm here at PTYA, the goal that I want to achieve with PTYA is to learn how to produce the educational videos on YouTube. I feel like, when I was going through certain courses back in India or even in the US and during my masters, those courses have been super helpful, but sometimes I had to navigate through a lot of information in order to come to the conclusion or come to the gist that is actually useful in the practical world. I wish I would have had the courses like the ones that I want to produce when I was starting up. So I want to provide those courses to, let's say, all the students. Like, the courses should be very simple. Here's the point A, here's the point B. What's the straight possible path to go to that? Rather than like navigating through a bunch of information, multiple videos, multiple books, whatnot, and still feeling less confident. So I want to address this particular problem, and I want to use PTYA as a support system in order to come up with such kind of, first of all, come up with such kind of content consistently. That's number one. Number two, how to produce high quality videos so that whoever is on the receiving end, they should feel that it's the best value for their time. If they're giving me, let's say, 15 minutes, 20 minutes of their time, I want to make sure that's the best possible use of their time, so that as a result, it can increase my engagement with them and hopefully add a lot of value to them, as well as increase the retention down the line. So that's number two. Number three, I want to have PTYA support system for is to understand, let's say, what are the blind spots that I have. This is the first time I'm doing something on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure I will have a lot of blind spots, huge imposter syndrome to deal with. So I want to use this support system, the community of the fellow PTYs that we have, to make sure that we address all these issues as we go along and produce the best possible content that's out there. Content that has maximum amount of signal and no noise. Essentially, that's what I'm aiming for. And I hope that I deliver on whatever the expectation is from PTYA in order to get the maximum benefit out of it. But thank you so much everybody for joining this course, and thank you for allowing me to join this course and setting such system up for everybody to collaborate on such a grand scale. Thanks Ali and team for doing this consistently. So as a result, like people like me who are interested in it, now they have a place where they can actually learn one-on-one from. So thank you so much for offering this course. Thank you, and I look forward to work with you. Cheers.